Welcome to Upcoming Auto Reviews, where we bring you in-depth insights on the latest and greatest motorcycles. Today, we dive into a machine that beautifully blends heritage with modern engineering, the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. This retro-modern roadster has captivated riders worldwide with its timeless charm, robust performance, and everyday usability. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner looking for a powerful yet approachable twin-cylinder motorcycle, the Interceptor 650 promises an engaging experience on every ride. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 is a perfect example of classic British design with a touch of modern refinement. Its teardrop-shaped fuel tank, wide handlebars, and flat seat provide a relaxed, upright riding position that ensures comfort over long journeys. The attention to detail in its chrome-finished engine, spoked wheels, and dual-tone paint schemes exudes premium craftsmanship. Built on a steel tubular double-cradle frame, the bike strikes a fine balance between retro aesthetics and structural strength, making it both stylish and durable. Powering the Interceptor 650 is a 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque. This air-oil-cooled motor, paired with a smooth 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch, ensures seamless power delivery with a linear torque curve. Whether cruising on highways or navigating through city streets, the engine provides ample low-end grunt and a refined throttle response. The twin exhausts not only enhance its retro appeal but also produce a deep, throaty exhaust note that adds to the bike's character. Royal Enfield has tuned the Interceptor 650 for versatility, making it an ideal choice for both city commutes and long highway rides. The 41mm front forks and twin rear shock absorbers offer a comfortable ride, effectively absorbing road imperfections. The bike's 18-inch wheels, wrapped in grippy CAT Zoom Cruise tires, contribute to stability in confident cornering. With a 202 kg curb weight, it may not be the lightest in its class, but its well-balanced chassis ensures easy maneuverability. The wide handlebars provide excellent leverage, making it effortless to flick through traffic or cruise down open roads. Braking duties are handled by a 320mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc, equipped with dual-channel ABS as standard. The braking setup delivers progressive stopping power, ensuring confidence-inspiring performance in all riding conditions. While the bike does not come with modern electronic rider aids like traction control or ride modes, its predictable power delivery and well-calibrated braking system make it a safe and reliable option for riders of all skill levels. Despite its twin-cylinder engine, the Interceptor 650 delivers impressive fuel efficiency, averaging around 25 to 30 km/L, depending on riding conditions. With a 13.7-liter fuel tank, the bike offers a decent riding range for long-distance touring. The comfortable seat and relaxed ergonomics make it an excellent companion for extended journeys, though the lack of factory-fitted luggage options may require additional aftermarket accessories for serious touring enthusiasts. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of timeless design and refined performance. It offers a thrilling yet approachable riding experience, making it one of the most value-for-money twin-cylinder bikes on the market today. Whether you're drawn to its retro styling, smooth power delivery, or everyday practicality, this modern classic is hard to ignore. What are your thoughts on the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Upcoming Auto Reviews for more detailed motorcycle insights. Ride safe and see you in the next video.